The world of virtual reality is about to take another giant leap forward. After months of speculation, leaks, and insider reports, we finally have the confirmed details about the Meta Quest 4, and it looks like this headset is going to redefine what's possible in standalone VR. The Meta Quest series has always been about delivering immersive virtual reality without the need for an expensive PC or complicated setup. But with the Quest 4, Meta is bringing desktop-level performance, cutting-edge mixed reality, and sleek design upgrades into a device that's still wireless, still affordable, and more powerful than ever. Today, we'll be breaking down everything you need to know, from the final specs to the confirmed pricing and the official launch date. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. By the time we're done, you'll see exactly why the Quest 4 is shaping up to be the most exciting VR release of the decade. When the original Oculus Quest launched, it was considered a revolution, true wireless VR with no cables or external sensors. Then came the Quest 2, which became the most popular VR headset in the world, selling millions of units and bringing VR to the mainstream. The Quest 3 improved on that formula with better visuals, stronger mixed reality features, and slimmer optics. But now, with the Meta Quest 4, Meta is raising the bar in every way possible. This isn't just a small upgrade, it's a next-generation leap that takes VR and mixed reality into new territory. Let's begin with the hardware and design. The Quest 4 features a newly redesigned body that is even slimmer and lighter than the Quest 3, thanks to the second-generation pancake lenses. These lenses allow for a much thinner headset profile while improving clarity across the entire field of view. The weight distribution has been adjusted too, with Meta shifting more of the internal components toward the back for better balance during long play sessions. Comfort has always been a sticking point with VR headsets, but the Quest 4 addresses this with a more ergonomic strap design, better padding, and an overall lighter build. For players who spend hours gaming or working in VR, this upgrade will make a massive difference. The display technology is one of the biggest highlights of the Quest 4. Meta has confirmed that the headset will feature dual 2160 by 2160 Pi OLED displays, offering true blacks, vibrant colors, and an immersive viewing experience unlike anything we've seen on previous Quest models. The refresh rate will support up to 120 Hz natively, ensuring smooth motion for both gaming and productivity. With an increased field of view, now up to 125 degrees horizontally, the Quest 4 makes virtual worlds feel even more expansive and lifelike. Whether you're exploring a fantasy realm, working in a virtual office, or watching a movie in a VR cinema, the visuals will feel sharper and more realistic than ever. Now let's talk about performance. At the heart of the Quest 4 is the brand new Qualcomm Snapdragon XR3 Gen 2 chip, co-developed with Meta for maximum optimization. This chip delivers nearly double the graphics performance of the Quest 3, while also improving efficiency to extend battery life. Combined with 12 GB of RAM, the Quest 4 is designed to handle complex VR environments, realistic textures, and advanced physics simulations without breaking a sweat. This means smoother gameplay, richer graphics, and an overall next-level VR experience. Developers now have the headroom to create bigger, more ambitious VR and mixed reality games than ever before. One of the most exciting aspects of the Quest 4 is its mixed reality capabilities. The headset features high-resolution full-color pass-through cameras